Guatemala, also known as the land of trees in Nahuatl, Guatemalan. Land of eternal spring, exuberant in culture, landscapes, and microclimates. Rich because of its fertile soils and its scenery without equal, surrounded by forests, rainforests, lakes, rivers, and mountains. There's a 70% forestry vocation and a privileged geographic position that offers the advantage of enjoying forestry production all year long and access to 2 oceans, facilitating the experts' logistics. With a great diversity of flora and fauna and more than 500 wood species that cover 33% of the total surface of the country, of which half are found within protected areas. Guatemala is a synonym for natural wealth. Just like our trees, we set down strong roots among the public and private sectors, fostering alliances and promoting legal participation among actors. We have had a forestry law since 1996 that fosters the legal production of wood, and with 2 institutions in charge of forests, the National Forest Institute, INAP, for its acronym in Spanish, outside of protected areas, and the National Council for Protected Areas, CONAP, for its acronym in Spanish, within protected areas. In addition to these institutions, there are public and private sectors institutions, NGOs, cooperatives, indigenous and community organizations that oversee the sustainable development in the sector, which contributes more than $2,200 million to the country's economy, which is 1.65% of the GDP. The forestry sector benefits more than 1.5 million Guatemalans, directly and indirectly, with more than 2,000 companies operating legally that offer wood and non-wood products. Working on innovation and promoting the added value of products and services, we build talent and qualified labor. We offer new products and on high demand in the more demanding markets with international quality and competitive prices. Guatemala exports wood products as furniture for the B2B markets and design, as well as floors, doors, liners, pallets, coffins, sawwood, and chipboard. In addition to non-wood products like shate and latex, we are a sector that dares to face the new challenges and that grows year over year looking for new commercial challenges. We are the organized forestry sector, building solid and lasting roots that is working on the legal frameworks, allowing us to grow and be more competitive. For more information, visit